In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A delegation from Uzbekistan's private sector held talks with the governor of Nangarhar on expanding trade relations. 32 flood victims were rescued by the country's air force following severe flooding in Takhar province. And 8 miners were killed and 38 others trapped after a gas explosion at a coal mine in northern China. Welcome to the news package. It's Saturday, the 6th of Zulhijjah al-Haram, 1447, the 2nd of Jawza, 1405, and the 23rd of May, 2026. The news details. A delegation from Uzbekistan private sector has held discussion with Mullah Muhammad Naeem Ahund, the governor of Nangarhar, regarding the expansion of trade cooperation. During the meeting, both sides emphasized the importance of increasing trade and promoting joint investment opportunities. The Uzbek delegation also pledged to initiate practical cooperation and join efforts with Nangarhar province in the field of commerce and investment. Following severe flooding in Ashkemesh, the district of Takhar province, the Air Force units of the Ministry of Defense rescued 32 stranded residents by helicopter and transferred them to safe areas. During the rescue operation, 250 kilometers of essential and emergency supplies were also distributed to the affected families. The news continuation. The Ministry for the Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints announced that its personnel addressed 524 cases related to the Sharia rights of women during the month of Sawr of the current year. Based on the Ministry, 50 cases of hostility and 240 ethnic and family disputes will also resolve effectively during the same period, while 54 individuals accused of sorcery were arrested. And ultimately, Chinese media have reported that at least 8 people were killed and 38 others remain trapped underground following a gas explosion at a coal mine in northern China. According to the reports, the incidents occurred at approximately 7:29 p.m. last night, Friday, the 22nd of May, at Liushino coal mine in Shanxi province. The reports further stated that 247 workers were inside the mine at the time of the explosion. Out of the aforesaid figure, 201 were rescued safely, while search and rescue operation for the remaining workers are still ongoing. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers a blessed Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.